computer. Okay, so when you reach the reading comprehension part in your question paper, how should you attempt it? I want to know your strategy. Tanishk, what will you do?
First, I read the comprehension 2-3 times. Try to understand it as well as I can. Highlight the important words and then understand the meaning of the important words too. And then solve the question and use the answer from the passage.
ठीक है. Mirka, how would you approach a reading comprehension?
When there's a passage, you have to
Hmm.
answer the questions. You have to read the passage carefully and answer.
ठीक है. So now, as I told you, how many of you are actually attempting the English Olympiad exam?
Me?
Mirka, are you attempting the exam or no?
No.
ठीक है. If in future you will attempt, this is the strategy. ठीक है. But before anything, Tanishk, your question paper. Firstly, you are in grade 4. I think from grade 5, it becomes a 60 marks exam. Okay. There are two passages. ठीक है. अभी भी two passage रहेगा. So, if you are very careful in marking the answers on OMR sheet, the first thing you should do is don't start solving from question number 1, Tanishk. You should start from the reading comprehension passage. ठीक है. आप एक passage को अच्छे से पढ़ लो, उसका आंसर कर लो. Again, if you feel you can attempt the second one, go for it. If not, come to the grammar part. ठीक है. इस तरीके से when you will break, your brain will not saturate and you will be able to give 100% to your exam. Now, when you are attempting your exam, this like the test series, ठीक है. अभी अगस्त का टेस्ट सीरीज आएगा ना, आप ये सेम स्ट्रैटेजी करोगे. एंड व्हाट इज द स्ट्रैटेजी, तनिष्क? आप पहले यू आर गोइंग टू अटेम्प्ट द रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन. ठीक है. देन you will go through the questions, say question number 1 से लेकर के. Then again attempt the second reading comprehension. Then you will have spoken and verbal वाला एक part. And the last is your achievers and done. ठीक है. Try.
Yeah.
Yeah, try. And you had missed one of my word power wala masterclass. I think you did not do it last time. I am hosting it again next week.
What?
Don't miss it. Don't miss it. Word
What
power
you?
master. A different master class. Why, Tanishk? Because कई बार आपको जब मीनिंग्स नहीं आएंगे ना, माने एक को एक वर्ड दे दिया, find the meaning of this and there are 4 options. Even if you don't know the meaning, Tanishk, I will tell you a trick जिससे आप correct answer mark कर लोगे. Would want you want to do that? Learn that from me. Yes?
But I had a little doubt that when is it exactly happening?
हाँ हाँ. What doubt?
Because I'm going to Rishikesh.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा. When it is exactly happening, it's on Wednesday 26th. Will you
What?
attend my masterclass? Are you attend?
Six.
Will you attend?
26 I can't. I'm going to Rishikesh, but maybe I'll do it in Rishikesh only. Maybe.
हाँ, online join कर लेना ना. It is going to be very helpful. How much did you score this mock exam?
In
English test series?
in English test series, I guess something like 24.
40
I'm
में?
sorry, 24 in the test series.
Okay, in English, right?
Yeah.
ठीक है. Now, once you know this strategy, I'm sure your marks will increase by 5. इसीलिए mandatory, attempt it. ठीक है? Mirka, you can also attend the class if you would want to. It's a holiday. ठीक है?
So what is the class about?
It's about grammar, it's about words, vocabulary,
It's like a
everything.
vocabulary class when we learn
No,
like
it's
those
like
words.
competitive exam में जब vocabulary questions आते हैं ना, तो how do you attempt it? ठीक है? Yeah,
Hmm.
no grading in my class. चलो, start करें. अभी तक मैंने आपको स्ट्रैटेजी तो बताई नहीं, मैंने आपको ये स्ट्रैटेजी बताई जब आपका एग्जाम है, जब आपका पेपर है, तब आप सबसे पहले रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन से स्टार्ट करो। बट रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में सबसे पहले पैसेज नहीं पढ़ते हैं, सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़ते हैं। तनिष, जस्ट चेंज दिस स्ट्रैटेजी, ठीक है? चेंज कर दो आप ये स्ट्रैटेजी।
Mom, can you wait a second? I want to
या
read the passage.
या आई विल। तनिष्क, पहले आप सारे क्वेश्चंस पढ़ो, रीड अलाउड।
Okay, so the question one, who was the leader of the fishermen? It says an old, intelligent, and wise fisherman.
आर यू गिविंग मी द आंसर और?
It's just written there.
नहीं, आई नो, बट दिस इज द स्ट्रैटेजी दैट वी आर वर्किंग। पहला स्टेप फॉलो करो। पहला स्टेप है, हम सारे 5 क्वेश्चंस को पढ़ेंगे, पढ़ो बस सिर्फ। हु वॉज द लीडर ऑफ द फिशरमैन? An old, intelligent, and wise fisherman. The reason why I'm asking you to even read the option, because while you read the passage, if these words will come again, your brain will get habituated. Like your
Oh,
brain will say, I have read it before, I think this is the answer, ऐसा होने लगेगा। ठीक है? हर चीज आप पढ़ना स्टार्ट करो। मिर्का यहाँ है?
yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज रीड द क्वेश्चंस बिफोर योर रीडिंग पैसेज। ये आपके स्कूल एग्जाम में भी काम में आएगा मिर्का। ठीक है? पहले क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे, फिर पैसेज पढ़ेंगे। एवरीवन, so I want question number 1 and 2 and 3 for Tanishq to read, and I want Mirka to read question number 4 and 5. Start.
So the first one, who was the leader of the fishermen? An old, intelligent, and wise fisherman, a young, foolish, and cheerful fisherman, an old, naughty, and stupid fisherman, an adult, happy, and foolish fisherman. Second one, what did the leader advise the fishermen? To give up, to lose hope, to keep trying, to think of another way. What was in the box that the fishermen found? A. Some small fish. B. Seaweed.
See, next column में आओ।
C. Yeah, C is logs from wreckage and D. Golds, coins,
Coins
and
and
gems.
gems. ठीक है। Now, Mirka, your turn.
What did the fishermen do with the thing they found in the box? The leader took everything. The leader took 50 of it. The
50%.
leader 50% of it. The leader gave it all to the fisherman. The leader divided equally among the fishermen.
What is the meaning of
Five.
wreckage?
Five. What is the meaning of wreckage? I know. Creation, fortune, ruins, construction.
Okay, now stop. Even if you know the answer, sometimes the answer will vary as per the text. तो एक बार text तो पढ़ना बहुत जरूरी है। ठीक है? So wherever you will find this word, वो sentence को आप underline करोगे। Now look at this child who has attempted the paper. उसने क्या किया? जो जो आंसर मिल रहा था वो अपने पेपर में अंडरलाइन करते चला गया। That the evidence, it's the evidence, and it's very important for you to underline whichever paragraph you find the answer. ठीक है? Now I want you to start reading. Mirka, you are going to read the first 2 paragraph, and the last 2 Tanishq will read. Start. Fruit of labor. Once a group, start reading from there.
Once a group of fishermen went to the sea. The leader was an old, intelligent, and wise fisherman. He always guided them well. At sea, the fishermen spread their large net in the water. When they pulled out the net, it was empty. It happened to be about 2 or 3 times. The fishermen felt dejected, but their leader advised them to keep trying. Manish, you're supposed to read.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Where does she stop? From what? Trying. From trying.
Trying. But listen to me. Do you find the answer for question number 1 and 2? अभी तक मिला है क्या आंसर? अगर मिला है तो आप बताओ. Has Ayantika Didi marked it correctly? Is the correct answer for question number 1?
Yes. Oh,
ठीक है. Question number 2. What did the leader advise the fishermen?
to keep trying.
Is the answer correct?
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Now, question number 3, 4, 5 is left, and whatever Tanish is reading is exactly where we find the answer for these three questions. Start, Tanish.
Hmm. So it is the fourth one, right?
Third one, what was in the box that the fisherman found? And you have to start reading from once again.
Okay. Once again, the fishermen threw in the net. It felt heavy when they pulled it out, but some small fish, logs from wreckage, and seaweed were all that it had. They were about to sink the net back into water, but the old fisherman said, "Pull out the net and empty it in the boat. Throw the empty net away and try again." When the fishermen emptied the net in the boat, they found a box in it.
Stop.
It
So
had
अभी क्या है? एक second. If you just read the first line, you would be like, oh, it had small fish, logs, and all. So you will tick option number A. But be very careful. They are asking what was in the box. They were not asking what was in the net. ठीक है? You have to be that mindful when you are doing reading comprehension because they know if we are little distracted, we will end up with the wrong answer. Got it?
yeah, yeah.
Yes. Chalo. When the fishermen emptied the net in the boat, they found a box in it. It had gold coins and gems in it. Is it the answer? Question
Yes,
number 3.
yes.
Now, what did the fishermen do with the thing they found in the box? Still, you still know that the sorry, two questions are left. So before reading with the next sentence, आप एक बार वापस से क्वेश्चन पढ़ लेना ताकि आपको आंसर मिल जाएगी. ठीक है? सो तनिष्क, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पहले पढ़ोगे और उसके बाद आप ये दो सेंटेंस पढ़ोगे.
Oh, so for example, question 4 is, what did the fishermen do with the thing they found in the box? Then I read.
Then you read the
Then,
options.
hmm, okay, so the leader took everything. The leader took 50% of it. The leader gave all to the fishermen. The leader divided it equally among the fishermen.
ठीक है. Now you read. The leader divided equally among all the fishermen. Same like clause आ गया, right? Same sentence आ गया, and you are like evidence, मिल गया evidence. This is the answer. ठीक है? And everyone went home happily. It is truly said that one must not leave any work unfinished if one wants to enjoy the fruit of one's labor. So, if there was the next question saying, what did you learn from this passage? That last line was the answer, right? That we should not leave any work unfinished.
Finish.
Yes? Yes, Baba? Bolo?
You should, if anyone, if one wants to enjoy enjoy the fruits of one's labor. What's the
Yeah.
meaning of the fruit of labor?
Fruit of labor means hard work and the fruit of hard work. Whenever you study hard, you want a gift or you want the result. So result is associated with fruit. So the result of your hard work, the
Is
fruit of your hard work and the fruit of your labor. जब भी ऐसे कोई difficult text आएंगे आप उसको simple words से replace कर देना and then try to read it. It is going to make sense to you. Yes, Tanish? Yes, Mirka?
yeah. Yeah.
हाँ. अब आपको समझ में आ गया ना मैंने तो आपको कुछ नहीं समझाया बट मैंने बस उसके वर्ड्स को सिंपल वर्ड से रिप्लेस कर दिया एंड आपको खुद समझ में आ गया द रिजल्ट ऑफ योर हार्ड वर्क करेक्ट
Yes. By
नाउ
the way, I had a little doubt. But ma'am,
यस
what's the meaning of Of wreckage.
wreckage नहीं बोलेंगे उसको, wreckage बोलेंगे, ठीक है?
What's
W
the meaning
is,
of wreckage?
I don't know, I will not tell you. I want you to identify, but let's listen to what Tanishq's doubt.
So it was a doubt of something like, for example, if there are like a question, if there is a question and there are like four answers, you have to circle or take one of it. But what if the four answers are like very similar and there is no option called as like all are correct?
Yeah, so there positive
And
and negative adjective will come into play. ठीक है Tanishq? So what will happen in four options? You will say that four are good adjectives. They are talking positive. One of it is going to be the opposite of these three. समझ में आ रहा है? ऐसा possible ही नहीं होगा कि all four are same. So three, you will know for sure that they are similar. So the fourth one where you are unsure is the answer. And that is exactly what I will teach you in the next class. Okay? We will try to do that in these questions also, wherein how I find the answer. But your question is only restricted to the words, or is it related to the
okay,
huh,
it's like
passage?
related to the whole passage.
This passage. Four answers correct आ रहे हैं आपको.
Like
Or
not like that. I'm saying like one word, but then what if it feels like in that one, like all four answers are correct and then I can't get them. And the question says take only one.
yeah, it means that we have to be more careful. It means that I have not understood the passage. I will read the question again. For example, as I told you, what was in the box that the fisherman found? I was just not careful that पहले उनको net मिला है, and I would टिक की small fish भी हो सकता है, seed भी हो सकता है, logs from wreckage भी हो सकता है, right? Correct? But when I read the question carefully, I found the keyword. Oh, it was asking about the box. So chances are that you have misinterpreted the question and read it again. Okay? Okay. Now, what is the meaning of the word wreckage? W is silent. I will say raw. Now, where have I found the have you found where it is in the passage? It's very important for you to underline it. See, it is here. But some small fish logs from wreckage. What does wreckage mean?
It's like something is like not like ruined also, but for example, a ship crashed and then like some years later it will become a wreck.
Yeah, shipwreck when it goes down. So what do you say? Is it of use or it's a useless piece?
It's a useless piece.
So
It's
can I
like
say?
just a chunk of like junk. It's
ठीक
just
है.
a little junk.
मिर्का आप प्लीज वीडियो ऑन करो. Now imagine that I don't know the meaning of wreckage. Now Mirka, do you know the meaning of wreckage?
I didn't know it, but now I know.
नहीं, but suppose if you don't know. There are four options. Can you read them out?
Creation, fortune, ruins, construction.
Now, as I told you how to identify, there will be three words which are positive, and one is opposite. Creation means you are building something, correct?
Like fortune means you have gathered a lot of useful things.
Fortune is good luck. Again, you have gathered a lot of useful things. So, creation means building. Is it positive or negative?
Positive. Positive.
Fortune, positive or negative?
Positive. Positive.
Construction, you are making. Is it positive or is it negative?
Positive.
Are you
Close to
destructing?
creation.
Are you destructing it? No. Destruction is like devastation. But it is not that. Construction is positive. You are creating something. Now, the only option that is left is what, Mirka?
Ruins.
And that is the meaning of wreckage. And with this strategy, you will score a full 5 on 5 in reading comprehension. Was it useful?
Yes.
Chalo. Let's attempt the next question. एनोटेट को बंद कर रही हूं मैं. हम्म, हम्म. चलो. Now, this is the next passage, the monkey and the dolphin. I want one of you to read the question and one of you to entirely read the passage.
Ma'am, I'll
According,
read the passage.
ठीक है. Tanishq, who you tell me who will start now? The
Can I
first
start?
is nahi. I have
Okay,
said
she
the
can
rule.
start.
The rule is to read the passage first or the question first.
Question. The question
So
first.
who will go first?
Tanish.
Yes, start Tanish. Are you guys in the same class section?
No. Not
Okay.
in the same section. He's in 4B and I'm in 4A.
ठीक है चलो तनिष क्वेश्चन पढ़ो एंड मिर्का बहुत ध्यान से क्वेश्चन बहुत ध्यान से सुनेंगे बिकॉज अगर वो रिपीट होएगा पैसेज में आपको उस समय अंडरलाइन करते जाना है कि ये आंसर 1 है ये 2 है ये 3 है ठीक है
Hmm.
गो
So why did the sailor take along a monkey while going on a voyage? Okay. Why?
Question. I have a
So
doubt. I have a doubt. I have a doubt. While
okay.
reading the question, if you come across any new word for which you don't have a meaning, what should I do then?
Like
Like,
you should also like underline the important words in the passage and then like try to understand it by like reading these similar sentences.
yeah. So here, voyage is something which may not every child would know, correct? So can I underline voyage?
Yes, you do have
And
to.
now, suppose if I don't know the meaning of voyage, still I can guess the meaning of voyage. It's like you are going somewhere. So you are going for a holiday, anything. And even holiday can be a synonym for it. A voyage is a tour, it's a travel journey, and a lot of other things. Would you like to add something to that, Tanish?
For example, like a traveling or going on a voyage,
Yeah, it can be adventure also. Good.
like
And a
royal,
voyage.
like
And
royal ships.
yeah, that can be also. Okay? Now, to get his help, why did the sailor take along a monkey while going on a voyage? To get his help, for entertainment, in order to sell him abroad? None of these. Okay? Question number 7. Tanish, right. Read.
What did the dolphin do when he saw the monkey in trouble? A. The dolphin showed him the way. B. The dolphin offered him food. C. The dolphin swam back towards the shore with the monkey on his back.
D. None of these. Question number 8.
What did the dolphin think the monkey to be? An animal, a king, an Athenian, a sailor. I know this answer actually because I read this passage.
When?
Like in my other class of like English 1 master class, I read this passage.
मतलब with Vishakha ma'am?
Huh?
With Vishakha ma'am?
Yes.
अच्छा ठीक है
Answer is an Athenian. I know
ओके
that.
ठीक है क्वेश्चन नंबर 9
The dolphin became angry with the monkey because of his heavy weight of his lie. He was not an Athenian, he told the truth. This
यू
one
नो द
also
आंसर
no.
ठीक है डोंट टेल द आंसर क्वेश्चन नंबर 10
What is the meaning of flounder in
in
the
the past
passage?
do you know the answer for this also
Yes.
ठीक है डोंट टेल द आंसर टू थ्रो अवे टू सिंक इन द सी to struggle helplessly to swim in the sea ठीक है we will underline where this word is and we will find the answer now
Ma'am, I
um,
understand how to.
ठीक है so Mirka now your task is that you will be reading as well as you will be finding the answer and as you are reading if you know the answer you will start marking it in the option start
A sailor embarking on a voyage to Greece took a monkey along to amuse him on a ship. What's the
now
meaning
tell
of
me
amuse?
now amuse
Entertain, entertain,
so what is the option for question number 6
entertainment.
very good okay off the coast of
Of
Greece
the coast of Greece near Athens, a violent storm arose. Angry waves beat against the ship and dashed it into pieces. The sailor, his monkey, and the crew jumped into the sea, swam for their lives. The dolphin saw the monkey struggling The dolphins in the water and came to his assistance. The dolphin swam with the monkey on his back towards the
Wait.
shoulders.
Question number 7. What did the dolphin do when he saw the monkey in trouble? He showed him the way, he offered him food. The dolphin swam towards the shore with the monkey on his back. None of
See,
these.
see,
Huh?
see,
See,
see.
see. Let's see. The dolphin swam with the monkey on his back towards the shore. Okay? Then
Yeah.
the dolphin.
Then the dolphin thinking the then the dolphin thinking the monkey was a man asked, "Are you
Stop. Now the dolphin thought that the monkey is a man,
man?"
right?
Uh-huh.
Now, in question number 8, there is no option as man. What should we do, Mirka?
An Anthian,
How do you know it is an Athenian?
because it's written in the passage.
कहाँ लिखा है? अच्छा. Are you sir an Athenian? Okay. Now I will tell you.
Certainly I am. The monkey said. Father,
Listen. If you live in India, we say you are an Indian. If you live in Athens, what will I say?
Athenian.
Yes, and
Athenian.
that's how the monkey said that he was a man, and then, are you an Athenian? Certainly I am. Start reading, Mirka.
Certainly I am. The monkey replied. And furthermore, I descend from one of the
This
most from one of the
descended.
noblest families of Athens
Descended का क्या मतलब हुआ यहाँ पर?
that I come from.
I come from, like my ancestors are the noble families of Athens. So I come from the same family. So what is the opposite of descendant?
I don't know.
अभी
Ascendant.
बताया. Ascended, correct?
Yeah.
This
Ascendant.
descending order, ascending order. So I can say ascendant of this, and I can also say it means ancestors. Okay? Then, of course, you know Piraeus, the dolphin said.
Pariahs.
Piraeus. Mila?
I don't remember this word again. The monkey did not know. The monkey did not know that Piraeus was the famous harbor of Athens. Oh yes, he said. I know Piraeus very well. He's one of my closest friends. The
But,
dolphin.
but
The
I am now,
dolphin.
I'm confused. Piraeus is the famous harbor of Athens. It is the name of a place. Then why did he say that he is one of my closest friends?
Maybe no, because he didn't know about it. He thinks like that. Pariahs is like a guy and he wants to feel like he actually wants to go with the dolphins towards the shore and he starts lying.
हाँ, तो अब तो with this line, Dolphin got to know that he was lying. The dolphin
The
was
dolphin
so
was so angered that he lies that he dived into the water and swam away, leaving the monkey to flounder helplessly in the sea. Then he
underline
turned
flounder, underline flounder. अब समझ में आया फ्लाउंडर का क्या मतलब हो रहा होगा?
to
क्या?
drown in the sea.
बट
To
यहाँ
sink
ऑप्शन
in
में
the sea.
ड्राउन नहीं है.
To sink in the sea.
To struggle helplessly, to swim in the sea, to throw away.
To sink in the sea.
Or floundering means something else. They always say
No.
don't flounder in the exam. I was floundering in the exam. What does the meaning mean? What does it
To
mean?
struggle helplessly. Struggle
Yeah.
helplessly.
Yes. ठीक है. Now the dolphin became angry with the monkey because
He of his lie. Lie.
wow, wow. Was it nice? समझ में आया? Now I will choose something else because this passage has been repeated. So I will take another question. ठीक है? Uh, 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 uh. Can you see my screen now? I'm transferring the files. ठीक है. चलो. One more paragraph and I think you guys are good. Now this is the actual question from your exam. ठीक है? This is how it will come. So there would be one, say 21 to 25. One passage will be here. ठीक है? And stop playing with the hair. And then I will have Another question. Passage, passage, passage. Is there no more passage? Oh, yes, there is one more passage.
Ma'am, can you go to a hard passage?
Yeah, it's a hard one. It's not easy. It's big one.
It's extremely hard.
वो पढ़ लिया तुमने? हाँ? हार्ड से
Hmm.
ज्यादा माइंडसेट होता है. माइंडसेट अगर वैसा हो गया तो फिर वो हार्ड ही लगेगा. ठीक है? नाउ सी.
Hmm.
um ओ माय गॉड. ये है, ये है. एक और आया ही नहीं. आई हैव टू ट्रांसफर इट अगेन. वेट. नाउ सी, इन योर एक्चुअल एग्जाम इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ बिगर पैसेज. ठीक है? सो when you see that, don't get overwhelmed. Don't get overwhelmed.
Well,
Yeah. And overwhelmed means,
I'm scared.
हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे उसको? अगर
डर
आपकी,
जाना, घबरा
हाँ,
जाना,
घबरा
घबरा
जाना.
जाना.
वेरी गुड. ठीक है? So this is my first passage. Okay, this is my first passage, and the this is not the question. Wait, I'm just deleting the ones that we don't need. Deleting the ones that we don't need. One, this is two, and then we have three. So I will, एक second. So see, this is the passage and this is the question. ठीक है? So this is question number 16. So Tanishq, two passages. 16 से लेकर के 20 रहेगा and then 21 से लेकर के 25 रहेगा. There would be two passages. One would be fiction, the other one would be non-fiction. ठीक है? Now start reading the question. Now this time I want Mirka to read the question and Tanishq to read the passage. ठीक है? Start.
Question number 6. Question 16. What is the passage about? Types of A. Types of birds. B. Role of vultures in the environment. C. Dead bodies in environment. D. Jet bullets. Question 17. California corridors.
नहीं.
California condors are vultures whose wingspans can reach up to dash or almost dash. A. 3 meters 10 feet. 5 B. 5 meters 9 feet. C. 10 meters 3 feet. 3 meters 2 feet. Question 18. How do vultures protect the environment? A. By killing human beings and animals. B. By keeping dead bodies here and there. C. By spreading the bacteria in D. By feeding on carcasses of animals and removing their dead bodies from the environment. Question
Carcasses.
19. What did California condors accidentally eat from carcasses of animals? A. Lead nails.
Carcasses.
What?
Carcasses.
Carcasses. A. Lead nails.
Lead.
Nails. B. Bacteria. C. Red bullets. D. Fungi.
Fungi. Yeah.
Question 20. In the given passage, the word carcasses
ठीक से
means
बोलो. ठीक से बोलो.
carcasses.
Car. C. Hard C because A is a vowel. Like C
Car-
becomes hard when there is a A after that. Car.
Carcasses.
Hmm.
Carcasses mean A. Dead bodies of animals. B. Solid things. C. Alive animals. D. Food webs.
ठीक है? Next. Can I see? Now the passage. Vultures may not be considered as beautiful birds. I am reading. Is that okay?
Yeah. Fine
Okay.
if you do.
Yeah. Vultures, but we have to be careful, huh? Answer क्या था? पहला question था, what is the passage about? So types of birds, role of vultures environment, dead bodies in the environment, and lead bullets. ठीक है?
The answer is rows of vultures.
Yeah. Vultures may not be considered as beautiful birds. However, they play an important role in our ecosystem and food web. आगे answer. Second, vultures are scavengers. You know what's a scavenger? Well, by any chance, anyone here knows
Hmm?
what's a scavenger?
Wait, I guess I know scavenger, but I don't know the meaning of that in like in same way. Because scavenger, I heard it in a video game.
ठीक है, but तुमको उसका whatever information you are aware of, can you share that with us? बताओ बताओ, yes or no?
I don't think so I know about the
ठीक है,
scavengers.
okay. Now I'll give you an example, and you will never forget. ठीक है? Firstly, it is always important as a life skill that if you come across anything that is unknown, you will try to find the answer, even if it is not a part of your syllabus. That's an attitude of a good student. ठीक है? अब जैसे मेरे को स्कैवेंजर का मतलब नहीं पता है, तो I will dig deep into it. Do you consider a lion as a scavenger? Yes or no? Children,
Yeah.
do you think a lion is a scavenger?
No. I don't think so.
Do
So
you think a tiger is a scavenger?
I don't think so. A tiger is a scavenger because tigers and lions are mostly selfish to other animals.
Selfish नहीं है ना उसका कोई relation. चलो, but still छोड़ो. Do you
Yeah.
think hyenas are scavengers?
But now, what does scavengers mean?
I will not tell you the answer like this. I want you to think. ठीक है? I will give you the answer only if you start thinking about the questions I am asking. And then in life, you will never forget it. And you may end up sharing with your own children after 20, 30 years. Yes? Now tell me, you are saying lion is not a scavenger. You are saying tiger is not a scavenger. I asked another question, hyenas. Do you think hyenas are scavengers?
No. No, they attack a lot.
What? They?
Attack too much.
Now there is a catch, attack. ठीक है इसको याद रखना, but still your answer is wrong. I will tell you about it. Now, do you think vultures are scavengers?
Yes. I got to know the meaning of scavengers.
नहीं, but अभी तुम रुक जाओ. Now you say that vultures are scavengers. Okay. Now, any other animal do you think can be a scavenger?
Hmm. An eagle?
Maybe, maybe, but I don't think so. Eagle is a scavenger. Eagle is not a scavenger. ठीक है. Now, anything that you want to say, Tanishk?
Humans are scavengers, I don't know.
No, humans are not scavengers. But a very good observation. Now I will tell you, there are two more words that I want to write here. Read.
Prey, I know. This one outside me.
You have to read it, na? Prey, predators, and scavengers.
Oh, the tigers and lions. So tigers, lions, hyenas, they are scavengers.
नहीं, 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 नहीं. What is a prey? पहले मेरे को ये बताओ. What's a prey?
The prey is the food of the animal.
ठीक है.
Suppose deer is the prey of a tiger, and
Very good.
predators are animals that hunt down animals.
Yes. Very good.
I learned that in science.
Yeah, इसीलिए तो मैं पूछ रही हूँ because I know it's been taught to you guys. Now, predators are someone who will always hunt for their food. Hunt. They will go, they will kill the prey and they will eat it. They will always eat fresh food. ठीक है? Because they are hunting. Whereas scavengers always eat from the leftovers. They will never hunt. समझ में आ गया?
Yeah.
So now tell me, have you ever seen a vulture attacking the prey, killing it and then eating it, or it just eats the dead bodies?
Like killing and eating it.
No, eagle does that. Eagle will always attack. Eagle has very powerful eyesight, so he will look at a small rodent. It can be a rat, anything, and it is going to catch the live rat, and then it is going to kill it and eat it. And that killing can happen by just holding the rat around the neck for a very long time. Now this shows that they are predators and prey. ठीक है?
So
But
in the so in the
so scavenger will never go hunt, kill, and then eat. Scavengers are very lazy. They will always go and eat the remains of the food hunted by some predators. For example, lion and a tiger is hunting the food, killing a zebra. ठीक है? Now they will eat all the good parts of that animal. Whatever is the leftover will be eaten by hyenas. इसीलिए जब आप लायन किंग भी देखोगे तो आपको वहां हाइनास दिखती थी ना डेन में.
yes.
वॉच वॉच द मूवी अगेन एंड नाउ यू विल अंडरस्टैंड द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ इट. ठीक है? समझ में आया मेरा सारा साइंस? कैन वी कम बैक टू द क्वेश्चन पेपर? कोई डाउट है?
No.
चलो. सो vultures are scavengers. They feed on carcasses of animals. What does carcasses mean?
And like the dead bodies.
The remains of animals. They feed on the carcasses of animals, like the flesh or whatever, and remove their bodies from the environment. This is an important job that goes beyond keeping the environment clean and beautiful. Let's see if we can answer some of the questions. What is the passage about? Role of vultures. Now, how do vultures protect the environment?
Mm, by wait. By feeding on carcasses of animals and removing their dead bodies from the environment.
समझ गए? Yeah. So carcasses can be those things like what? Tell me.
Carcasses mean dead bodies of animals.
Huh, correct. But it is mostly the part which can rot, like a flesh versus bones. You are all science students. You know that a human body or an animal, anything that is a living creature, is going to have flesh and bones in it. Agree? Disagree?
Agree. Agree.
Now, what will happen that if someone is not eating the flesh in some period of time, it is going to start stinking and it is start going to decompose in the soil. It is going to be attacked by insects and all those other things that's in the soil. Yes or no?
Yes. Oh.
Yes, no, whatever. But now imagine all those mosquitoes like houseflies and all those things on the flesh. Is it a good thing or a bad thing?
But that's a horrible thing.
Yeah, because then these houseflies can come and attack our food also, and we would not know from where this housefly is coming on. It's so unhygienic, and this can cause a lot of diseases. True or not?
True.
True, and this is the reason why carcasses को vulture खा रहा है, so that it can stop this infection from spreading. And we all know that bones turn into fossils and all the other things. It doesn't degrade, it doesn't decompose. Agree? Disagree?
Quite agree.
Bones melt होने में बहुत टाइम लगता है and I don't think so bone can ever melt. Does it melt or not?
Does bone
melt? Like dissolve? Do you
No,
think?
it actually gets buried.
Yeah, and then what happens? 100, 200 millions years later, it turns into a fossil, correct? What
Yes.
exactly happens that it takes so much time to actually dissolve in the soil, earth, whatever, wherever it is. And a lot of times it does not even get dissolved because, tell me, that is the reason why you see the animal bones, which we call as a fossil as well as other things. Dinosaur के आपको bones मिले. And What do you call people who dig and explore such things?
Uh, Archaeologist, wait, not those or something.
Yeah, sort of archaeologist, right? Any other word that comes to your mind?
For what?
For this only, a person who goes and study of fossil is known as archaeology.
A historian?
Historian तो नहीं बोल पाएंगे.
Historian, like, studies the history, not
Yeah,
fossils.
fossils. So
So
study of
actually,
fossils.
archaeologists. So
Yeah,
archaeologists
yes.
are people who study old materials,
Now
and the
see, study
old
of
material.
fossil. बच्चा एक second. Study of fossil is actually paleontology. ठीक है? Okay? And archaeologist does what?
Like they actually discovers things like those happened before, like about prehistory and all, I guess.
Yeah. But we will not say that they are historians. Will we say they are historians?
I know, like, what you call archaeologists. Those things are like
So,
discovering about like whatever happened about the world, like a
yeah.
volcanic eruption, how it happened,
Yeah,
like these
so maybe
things.
an archaeologist will help to find the fossil, but if someone wants to study that fossil, this archaeologist will go and give the fossil to a paleontologist that see, this is what I have found, now you research on it. Correct? Is that easy to understand?
Yeah. Yes.
So, an archaeologist will dig earth surface and they will look for hidden items, bones, and all the other things. Once they gather the bones and other fossils, they are going to give it to an expert whose name is paleontologist who can study more in detail about the fossils. Correct? ठीक है. पढ़ लिए. इस तरीके से पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए कि आप अपने सारे आंसर्स ढूंढ लो. Now, can we get back? We have found the answer for 16 and 18. We still have three more questions left. Now, vultures protect the environment and human beings from deadly diseases, as I explained you. If any dead body remains in the environment, even for a short period of time, bacteria would grow. Yes? I had explained you this. These bacteria are tiny organisms that cannot be seen with human eye and can make animals and humans sick. Vultures remove carcasses of animals quickly before bacteria has time to grow. Additionally, their stomach contains a strong acid that helps in destroying these harmful bacteria they eat. समझ रहे हो? Because all the scavengers they are eating dead bodies and dead bodies में already बहुत bacteria attack कर गए होंगे and your digestive system has to be very strong and we just got to know that vultures के stomach में एक strong acid होता है जो digestion में help कर रहा है. Yes. Unfortunately, there are some poisons found in dead bodies that are deadly to even the vultures. These poisons have been responsible for the majority of vulture deaths for the last 40 years. There have been so many deaths that vultures are now on the list of endangered animals. Endangered animals are those animals who can soon become.
Extinct.
Very good. That was the word. The future of vultures is an issue across the globe. Some of the deaths are accidental, but vultures have also been poisoned on purpose. Almost 30 years ago in United States, the California condor population was reduced to 22 birds. Now, condor means what? As per the text. क्या समझ में आ रहा होगा? Condor means flying creatures like birds, maybe? हाँ कि ना? बच्चे लोग? Why aren't you guys
Ma'am, I
saying?
don't know the meaning of condor. Like, it's like the population.
I feel condor is a specific organism that they're talking about, creature that they're talking about, and I would specify it as birds, maybe. The the
Like the
California one.
species. Like Those condor
Yeah.
means species.
Did you Google it and find the answer? What does
No,
condor
I'm just
mean?
guessing. I'm
नहीं
just
नहीं मेरे को
guessing.
फाइंड करके दो कॉन्डर का मीनिंग टिल द टाइम आई एम रीडिंग द टेक्स्ट The California condor population was reduced to 22 birds. California condors are vultures whose wingspans can reach up to 3 meters. इसी में आंसर दे दिया है. Condors are those birds, yeah, they are those vultures whose wingspans, जो wing का length है, it can reach to 3 meters or almost 10 feet. समझ गए? Don't no need to Google. Condors are specialized vultures जिनका विंग स्पैन इतना बड़ा है. कितना बड़ा है? 3 meters और ऑलमोस्ट 10 feet. अब इसमें ऑप्शन बताओ. There was this question. California condors are vultures whose wingspan can reach up to
3 meters, 10 feet.
option number.
Oh, where is it? A.
Perfect.
But where was it given? I can't see.
Last paragraph. See,
Oh,
almost
yeah,
30.
right.
ठीक है? And then that is
What
where Mirka,
wingspans can reach
you
up
will have to underline it that you have found the answer here so that the teacher will know that हाँ मिर्का को समझ में आया है, evidence है उसके पास. Now, they were accidentally poisoned by lead bullets in carcasses of animals. Oh my God. Left behind by hunters. Now, what happened that some of the birds, some of these vultures were accidentally killed because the animals that they were eating had lead bullets and वो उनके stomach में चला गया था. So hunters, when they hunt the animals, they kill them with guns, right? And the guns have bullets. And the bullet का material is lead bullet. And वो lead can be poisonous. And that's how we understood. ये? No. समझ गए?
Yeah. Yes.
So that's how accidentally they were poisoned. Condors accidentally ate the lead bullets and died. Conservation has been effective. People around the world are working to prevent their extinction. Even though there are now more than 400 birds, the California condor is still considered as one of the rarest birds on the earth. And why we are saying California condor? Because their wingspan is more than 10 feet or 3 meters. Now answer बताओ अब मुझे. How do vultures protect? Okay, ये हो गया हमारा. 19 and 20 बचा हुआ है. What did California condors accidentally eat from the carcasses of animals, Mirka? Very good. In the given passage, the word carcasses means
Dead bodies of animals.
fantastic, and that is how the class is going to get over. Okay.
Hmm.
So, how was the class?
100 out of 100. Very
Thank
good.
Very good, na? And I hope you utilize all the strategies which I have shared. Can we revise the strategy? Wait.
Yeah, ma'am. So always read the questions